Why does your scanner show the P0777 engine code? What does it mean? P0777 is a diagnostic trouble code for Pressure Control Solenoid B stuck on. It indicates that there is an abnormal reading from the Pressure Control Solenoid is detected. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty pressure control solenoid. Transmission fluid issues. Wiring problems. Transmission valve body issues. Faulty transmission pump. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Jeep, Nissan, Honda, Chevy, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.